I tried day trading and this is how it went. So the first trade I did was PayPal. At 10:43 I got into PayPal. So let's look at PayPal. Oh, it's not there. And I look at my trades mostly on the 30-minute time chart. But 10:43 or something like that I said. Um, so this candle right here, right? As soon as I saw that PayPal had touched the 50-day moving average, I got into a small position. And so once I saw that, okay, PayPal completely broke all of the moving averages, right? My next, buy of PayPal will be around the previous support level, which was 6104. And so I got into that that level, or I got into another entry. I bought another call option at that price. And so then you can see, towards the day, PayPal just started like declining, right? And so my goal was, okay, I was like, if, PayPal decides to touch the 180 or the 200-day moving average, right? I'll enter another entry, or I'll enter into another, call position there. Hold on, bud. I'll enter into another call position there, but that didn't happen. And so when I saw that, okay, PayPal is just declining, 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 right? I was like, I'll buy another, call position. If my position is down 10%, I'll buy, a couple more call options. That way my average won't be that, in a bad spot. And so basically, I waited and waited for PayPal to reverse to the uptrend because usually when the moving averages look like that on the screen, usually that stock tends to reverse to the upside. And so uh, just trading Apple the whole day, I mean, Apple, trading PayPal the whole day mostly, I made a gain of, what was it? $82 trading PayPal call options. It was a really long trade, but the goal is to not make a lot of money. Obviously, the goal is to make, uh, you know, I guess, uh, gains, that are, how do you say? I guess it's like more like, testing your patience and where you think, your game plan is heading towards to. And so, yeah, that's how trading PayPal went. But if you want an easier explanation, right? I got into PayPal at 10:43. So let's look at PayPal. So at 10:43, I got into a call position as soon as I saw that PayPal had touched the 50-day moving average. As soon as PayPal broke the 50-day moving average, my next entry point was around 6104. And once I saw that, PayPal was declining, declining, I got into another entry point around 6092. That way my average wouldn't be in a bad spot. And so you can see that around 1330, PayPal started reversing to the upside, and I sold out of PayPal, making a gain of I made a gain of $82 trading PayPal call options. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how that trade went. The next trade I want to talk about is Pepsi. This trade was pretty good. Let's see, when did I start buying into Pepsi? It doesn't show me like it doesn't show me like the latest like when I first bought it, it won't let me. Or let's see if it does. Okay, no, it does show me when I first bought into Pepsi. Okay, so I bought into Pepsi calls on 6/28, 2024. Uh I don't yeah, yeah. And let's see where Pepsi was. So 11/26, 6/28, 11/26, 6/28, 6/28, 6/60. Okay, so at this level, I got into Pepsi calls. The reason I got into Pepsi calls was because I saw that, okay, well, my personal support level is around the 164 range, right? Seeing that on that previous day, on the 27th, Pepsi just wanted a rebound around the 165, and then the previous day, 6/26, Pepsi wanted a rebound around the 164 area. And so when I saw that, uh, you know, Pepsi was, hovering or bouncing off those levels, I was like, okay, let me enter into a small position, right? And then you can see that the next candle, Pepsi just decided to crash, and I bought somewhere around the low of 163 something, and my next support level was around the 161 area, and so I did buy a couple of call options around the 161 area. And then you can see when Pepsi reported their earnings, they came all the way down to 158, but I didn't catch it at 158. I got another call option around, I want to say at 163. If I had gotten into 158 or when Pepsi had dropped that day, um, the position would have been like way up than what it is at right now. But you can see that um, with Pepsi, I made a gain of $5,795 just trading Pepsi. And yeah, it's kind of crazy, right? But this was more of a swing trade in a way. And I want to show you guys a website that you can potentially use. It's called finviz.com. Basically, you go, so, a website you could use is Finviz to, be on the lookout for stocks that are on, that are on sale or stuff like that, right? So you could press here where it says screener, um, and then where it says market cap, you press there, right? And then you press mega. Uh, that's the only stocks that I would only swing trade because, those companies are the ones that are making a lot of revenue. They're profitable, right? And so, um, oh, and then once you click on Mega, you'll see that it's on the regular setting of overview. You want to click on performance, right? And uh, then you want to press on performance year to date, right? Click on that. And then it's going to show all the stocks in order of how they're performing, from the beginning of the year. And so then you can see, okay, Adobe, it's down, year to date, it's down 5%. CRM, it's down 4%, right? But you actually want to, look at, these stocks on Webull and look, okay, it's almost to its like all-time low, you know, or it's close to its all-time high, you could play puts or calls, right? But most of the play, like I did, what was it? I did UNH calls. I did CRM, it was calls, and then I did, Pepsi, which is now. I was actually in Apple when Apple started crashing, but I sold out due to the fact that I was like, okay, it's because all the FOMO news that was going around, like Apple is not doing good and whatnot. And so this is a good website that you can use to your advantage to like spot, good deals, or if you want to invest into stocks, you can use this website to invest into stocks. Obviously, obviously, you can look into large cap stocks, mid cap stocks, small cap stocks. But me, if I was a beginner, I would look mostly into the mega cap stocks because those are stocks that are, profitable. They're making huge numbers, right? And, they're 100% sure. Well, not 100% sure, but, they're not like, oh, like bad news, good news, not like crazy or anything like that. But yeah, this is a website you could use. It's called Finviz. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys did well. And if not, there's always another day or another day to practice paper trading. And if you guys want to learn, or not learn, but if you guys want to, want to practice paper trading, right? You can use my Webull link in the description below. And once you sign up with Webull, with my Webull link, and deposit a penny into your Webull brokerage account, Webull will give you 3 free shares of whatever they give you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys have a good night, a good day. As always, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, take care. Bye.